up, guys? You're here with the J Fam. This is Chase. This is Angel, and I'm Chelsea. Duh. But it's the 4th of July, so we're going to watch fireworks. At the fireworks now.
We have to tell you a story.
Yeah.
We ran around this whole place looking for a bathroom. There was none open, so we had to run all the way down to Wendy's to use the bathroom.
And I brought my dog. Say hi, Jazz. She said it was just in here.
Started go vaping down there, and I was like,
They weren't vaping.
Okay.
It was like hashtag vaping up.
hashtag need to stop.
Hashtag vape it up. Hashtag y'all need Jesus. Hashtag leave your group. Just the fireworks. I mean, I figured since that's what we were coming here to do, we should probably show them to you. So here they are.
Hey, we're about to leave the fireworks, and we're gonna either go to Taco Bell first or my house.
So wherever we go, this is, yeah, you'll know after like 2 seconds. But
Yeah.
here we go.
What?
And we're back. We're
At my house this
Yeah.
time. Last time we were at her house. Next time we're going to her house.
hopefully tomorrow.
Yeah, hopefully. Let's hope.
But yeah, we'll probably get back to you guys in a few minutes. But we're gonna have some time off camera for a few minutes. So see you guys.